Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Nextdoor how to see bookmarks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to see bookmarks in Nextdoor app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Nextdoor application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, in order to see the bookmarks, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen, and once inside, simply tap on your profile once again. Then once you're inside your profile on the main page, what you need to do is simply scroll all the way down until you find the option bookmarks, and then simply tap on it, and once you're inside there, you'll find the post that you have saved. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.